What's good? What's goody? What's happening? It's your boy Ben, and don't forget Bentastico. Right now, we're currently in Jacmel, and we're about to take a spin in Lakou, New York. Let's go.
Bentastico beats.
It's Lakou New York Jacmel.
Make it drop like
So right now we walking through Lakou, New York. Pretty dope little spot in Jacmel. I always wanted to visit here. So we got a beautiful ocean over here. Abye passé là, on voit d'emblée de là, à quelle belle monnaie. On voit ma nigga Denny Saga in the ground. Caméraman nous la pour une belle coup de vidéo. What's good, Instagram? Man, my internet been crazy. Yo, you be fiending to be in my videos. Yo, get out my video, bro. Yeah. So, you know, damn, boy. Vous avez le téléphone, le premier monde qui vous branche cool c'est ici. Normalement, moi, bon, on fait zéro.
Why? Have you heard that?
we gon' make it drop like.
Alright, so we about to take the drone, the DJI Phantom 3, for a spin to give y'all a drone view of Lakou, New York. Let's go.
Make it drop like. We gon' make it drop like. Yeah. Bang. Yeah. Bang. Yeah. Bang. drop like
Bentastico beats.